The green one with the blue hat is Garrick. I don't know who the black hair with the green is. It's one of them's woman. But the other chick is Rachel. Go play! I can't even see the little... Oh, here's one. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. It's frozen, but go get it. No! No, this stuff is cold on my feet. Mommy,
So what's
mommy.
your son's been up to?
Let's see. Both of them are living with women.
Oh, that's sad, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
They're not here at this house. That's a good thing.
It's cold out here.
Yeah. It's still like 14 degrees. Okay, that's enough. That's fine.